There are 3 methods to install the camera to the network: Wi-Fi protected setup mode, access point mode, and Ethernet mode. This video will demonstrate how to connect using the WPS and AP wireless methods. Begin by connecting the power cable and plugging the adapter into a power point. To connect using WPS mode, you must have a router with an enabled WPS button. Connect by holding down the reset button and release when the LED begins to flash blue. Now press the WPS button on your router. The LED will be solid green when the connection is complete. To connect using AP mode, a Wi-Fi enabled device such as a computer, tablet, or smartphone is required. Start by holding down the reset button and release when the LED begins to flash white. Using your device, search for available networks. Connect to the network with the camera model followed by 6 digits. This is the last 6 digits of the camera's MAC address. Using the same device, open a web browser and enter the following URL or IP address. Press the scan button to search for available Wi-Fi networks. Select the network that the camera will connect to and enter any required Wi-Fi credentials. Click on Submit to connect. The LED will be solid green when the connection is complete. Now the camera needs to be added to ADT Interactive. Log on to ADT Interactive using login details from the welcome letter email received. If you do not have one set up, check your emails and click Get Started to create a new password. Once you are logged in, select Video from the menu, followed by Add Camera. This will bring you to the device setup page. The device should have been discovered by the network. If no video devices have been detected, click on Refresh Devices. Alternatively, you can enter the 12-digit MAC address found on the device label. Once the camera has been discovered, name the video device. Click the Install button to add the camera. If you click on Refresh Devices, the device will be listed under Video Devices Installed. This completes the installation.